is a Filipino dish. You call this chicken adobo.
Favorite yan ni Olga?
Hindi lang ni Olga. Paborito rin to ng mama mo.
Yeah. She would always tell me about your famous adobo. Dad, minahal mo ba si Mom?
Sobra. Sobra ko minahal ang mama mo. Kahit yung nanay ni Alda, alam kung gaano ko kamahal ang mama mo, pati ikaw. Kaya nga nung umalis kayo, mga araw na yun, mga oras na yun, mga panahon na yun, iyak ako na iyak. Hindi ko naman magawang sumama o pumunta doon. Kasi wala naman mag-aalaga sa lola mo. Kawawa naman siya. Anak, sana bigyan mo akong pagkakataon. Sana mapatawad mo ako.
Okay. But only if you teach me to make that delicious adobo.
Eh naku, walang problema. Anak, dito ka, tuturo ko ito, madali lang to.
Alright.
The first thing you do is like this. This is chicken. Remember the chicken? This is what you call the thigh. This is moving like the flying. Then you put this soy sauce. This is not ordinary soy sauce. This is what a French likes, soy sauce. Put this like that.
Adobo ba to?
Yes, adobo. Then you add some, this is not ordinary vinegar again. This is a Chinese Clampertus. Clampertus vinegar. This is good. Then you mix this, what do you call this? Garlic. No. In Tagalog, this is what you call girlicious. For the gay girl. Then this is what you call pepper. Yeah, pamints. Then put it all together. Then try to smash it. Come on, yeah, smash it. Smash it. Come on, yeah, that's right. You keep on smashing until it hurts, right? Yeah. Smash it and mash it. Okay, then swallow. The next thing you do will cook and then swallow it. Okay, again. Okay, put it in your pocket. Put it in your pocket.
Akin na! Teka lang! Hoy, ang daya!
Ano ba yan?
Ba't ganon? Ang daya!
Oh! Time out! I'll just go there. Time out. Let me rest your soul.
So, darating ang best friend ko, si Jack. Magbabakasyon din siya. I want to introduce you to him.
Sure. Sino ba susundo sa kanya?
Kami ni Dad. Good, Alda. What was that?
Hey! Listen up! Listen up! Let's eat first. I have something for you. It's delicious. This is delicious. This is number one for there.
What is that?
Oh, you like this?
Mas masarap yung... Masarap yan, kuya.
This is what you call the intestine. In Tagalog, this is a bituka. This is, I better taste this. This is just all steak.
Well, I don't
Okay.
This is okay.
This is what
Mas masarap yan.
yeah, this is Betamax. Betamax.
Is it clean?
This is the cholesterol.
Oo, malinis siya, kuya.
Pure.
Malinis yan. Ito, try mo.
Try it. It's delicious. Come on.
Sige na!
Delicious. Come on. Go. How is it? How is it?
Sarap.
Di ba?
You like it? You like it?
Ayan.
It's not bad.
Alright.
Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, masarap eh.
How about you?
Napadalaw ka. Nakausap mo ba si Kuya Alvin?
Hindi eh, nasa airport ata kasama yung daddy mo. Di ba susundin nila yung best friend niya magbabakasyon dito?
Sabi nila hindi mo na nakita yung best friend niya eh.
Ha? Nawawala yung best friend niya?
Sabi nila, baka daw kinidnap.
I knew it! This country is not safe!
Eh, hindi pa naman sure yung kaibigan mo na-kidnap pa.
Ano pa? What else could have happened to him?
Eh, tawagan mo kaya ulit sa cellphone.
I've called him 1,000 times. He's not answering his phone.
Okay, okay. Huwag ka na mag-alala, anak. Inireport na natin sa mga pulis. Ang gagawin na lang natin ngayon, maghihintay ng tawag.
And wait for what? For more bad news?
Alvin, tawagan mo yung family niya sa States para malaman nila kung anong nangyayari.
How will I tell his parents? Oh, I'm sorry, your son's been kidnapped.
Ano ka ba? Huwag ka na mag-alala. Ako natatawag. Natatawag.
Bro, what the hell happened? Dude, why don't you call me? You knew I was on the way to airport pick you up. Alright, who's with you now?
Alam mo, pag nakita ko talaga yung kaibigan ni Kuya, sasakalin ko yan. Na hindi mo lang sinabi na sinundo pala siya ng girlfriend niya na Pinay. Kainis!
Nga eh, napaka-irresponsible ni lalaking to.
Ang mahalaga, ang importante, ligtas siya. Dito muna ako, mag-ano na, kain na ako tinapay.
South? Where's South? Dude, just stay here in Manila. It's safer here. Man, you're crazy. I just don't trust the people here. Olga, I'm going to get my ticket now from the airline.
Alis ka na ba talaga?
Yeah.
Bakit? Dahil feeling mo hindi ka safe. Hanggang ngayon ba, yun pa rin yung issue mo, Alvin? Kailan mo ba mababago ang pagtingin mo sa mga Pinoy? Hindi naman nakidnap yung kaibigan mo, ah. Hindi ka rin namin tinato ng masama. Mukha ba kaming di mapagkakatiwalaan?
Of course, you can be trusted. Pero, iba kayo.
Paano iba? Pilipino din kami. Kaya pag may masama kang sinasabi tungkol sa mga Pinoy, nasasaktan ako.
Okay, I didn't mean it like that.
Siya nga pala, happy trip na lang.